For close round 29, except of 2 last chain, we make a double crochet top of first double crochet into 3 chain, 1 2 3, we make a double crochet. Now we are middle of this 2 chain space and round 29 is finished. Round 30, chain 1, we want to make a single crochet into 2 chain space, single crochet, another single crochet, so 2 single crochet, another single crochet top of this double crochet, 2 single crochet into next 2 chain space, we don't crochet top of this single crochet, 2 single crochet into next 2 chain space, a single crochet top of this double crochet, 2 single crochet into next 2 chain space, and we continue this pattern until we finish this round, and we have to make 195 single crochet. Round 31 is the same, we make only single crochet top of every single crochet, 195 single crochet after round 31.